Imagined in 2026, Titan Voyager, futuristic luxury truck motorhome. Exterior. Design, the Titan Voyager is one of the most advanced luxury truck motorhomes ever imagined. Its powerful front engine merges supertruck performance with architectural elegance. The metallic silver-green body gleams under sunlight, while a full lineup of massive chrome wheels gives it a bold, commanding presence on the highway. Aerodynamic curves, glass panels, and futuristic contours make it look like a moving mansion, a masterpiece of American innovation and design. Step into a double-height luxury lounge with panoramic glass walls and golden LED lighting. Beige and white leather sofas rest beneath a sculpted ceiling with warm ambient lights. A curved cinematic screen and marble flooring create a blend of comfort, technology, and modern art. A penthouse on wheels. The Titan Suite offers a king-size floating bed with silk bedding, chrome finishes, and a wide glass window showcasing breathtaking views. Minimal yet elegant, the space feels like a five-star resort, built for peaceful nights and luxury mornings, wherever you are. Smart Kitchen. The Smart Kitchen combines innovation and beauty. Glossy emerald and black cabinetry, marble countertops, and touch-controlled smart appliances make it a high-tech culinary space. Compact, efficient, and stunning, designed like the galley of a private jet. Luxury bathroom inspired by spa aesthetics with white marble walls, golden LED accents, a glass shower cabin, and a digital smart mirror. Every corner reflects comfort, precision, and futuristic craftsmanship.